What is the volume of combined solids that include rectangular prisms? Imagine stacking building blocks to create a new shape. How do you find out how much space all those blocks take up together? That's what we're exploring today. When you have a shape made from more than one rectangular prism, the key is to find the volume of each piece first. Remember, a rectangular prism is a box shape with 6 rectangular faces. To find its volume, you multiply its length, width, and height. For example, if a box is 10 units long, 4 units wide, and 3 units high, its volume is 10 times 4 times 3, which equals 120 cubic units. Now, if you have 2 or more of these prisms joined together, you just add their volumes if they are placed side by side or stacked without overlapping. So, if one prism has a volume of 50 cubic units and the other has a volume of 70 cubic units, the total volume is 120 cubic units. But what if part of one shape is cut out or overlaps with another? In that case, you subtract the volume of the overlapping or removed part. For instance, if a smaller rectangular prism is cut out from a larger one, you find the volume of the smaller shape and subtract it from the larger shape's volume. Let's say you have a big box with a volume of 100 cubic units, and inside it, a smaller box with a volume of 50 cubic units is removed. The remaining space, or the total volume of the combined solid, is 150 cubic units. This method is very useful in real life. Think about calculating how much paint you need to cover a complex-shaped container or how much material is needed to build a structure made from different rectangular blocks. So, to find the volume of combined solids that include rectangular prisms, you calculate each individual volume first. Then you add or subtract these volumes depending on how the shapes are connected or cut out. This way, you can easily figure out the total space inside any complex shape made from rectangular prisms. Remember, breaking down complicated shapes into simple rectangular prisms makes volume calculations straightforward and manageable. It's like solving a puzzle by putting together the pieces one by one.